And in the third example around the sort of the legacy code, is it about modernizing the tech stack and something that would take a long time and now we can speed it up? Is that how you define the value?
Oh, that's a really big, that's an industry-wide problem. It's a tech debt that we have built over the last 30, 40 years. And, acquisitions and like migrations. And it's not that we don't have modern stack today, right? Almost every bank has the most modern stack, but along with that, they have trillion lines of code in COBOL sitting running in some mainframe, and that's like no one knows what it does, in the sense that it's running as a black box and it's working, right? But the risk is that what if it stops working or we have to do something? How do we solve that? That's where the risk is there, right? And so it's an industry-wide problem. We all have to solve it, and we are chipping away at it. But it takes so much time and effort to go through that COBOL code, understand it, and figure out what the developer 40 years ago was thinking when they wrote that code, then translate it to a newer language, say Java or Python, run it in the new stack, and then compare the results. I mean, it's a company in itself. It's a P&L in itself. So using AI to solve parts of this problem, like understanding the code, translating code from language A to language B, those are the kind of things a lot of specialist AI can do really well. GitHub Copilot, for example. But there's also more AI solutions that are specifically catering to this problem, because it's a known big problem across the first world for sure.
Sure. That's super interesting because at least what I'm hearing at the moment is definitely the space of knowledge, expertise, customer service. AI can really support that. Software engineering, code modernization, unit test generation, documentation. I was speaking to Dave Tree, the CTO of Pearson, and that came up as well. So it's interesting to hear it from you too. So it seems like that's kind of like a no-brainer area where there's lots of benefits and productivity to be gained.